Karen, you have followed the collapse of General Electric. Mr. Culp has to rebuild. What is order number one for Lawrence Culp to Dannerheis General Electric?
I think the first thing, he's going to try to take care of the cash bleeding, and he did that with the announcement of the dividend, which was not a surprise. He's going to work on deleveraging. The big problem is power, and he's got to move quick on power.
What's your view on the strategy of power, the business plan of failed decisions?
He's going to split it into two businesses. There are a couple of small businesses I think he might divest. That's not the big problem. Gas is the big problem. He's got to shrink it and shrink it fast. It's fixed cost primarily.
I want to go right now over to the PowerPoint. This is the most simplistic PowerPoint. And what you need to know, folks, is forget about the headlines of dividends or that. A little hard to see, but this is what adults look at on global Wall Street. The idea of cash flows and the cash balance walk that GE has to do. More than anything, frankly, like Ginny Rometty at IBM, he has to maintain an A credit rating. Is that at risk if he doesn't get his cash use right?
It is at risk. He's got to get, and the rating agencies have signaled that they're concerned. The dividend is a big statement. It's frankly, he'll save about almost $4 billion.
What is the revenue persistency that will lead to stability in cash flows that keeps an A rating?
Well, they're doing better than expected in aerospace. That's a very big business. They're doing
numbers.
Very strong, well
Oil
in
and gas
healthcare.
looked almost okay.
Yeah, that's stabilizing. And the other big business is healthcare, which did very well. They're going to pay the bills.
Jeff Immelt and Jack Welch loved organic revenue growth. What's the organic revenue growth Karen Ubelhart can do on GE right now?
They're going to do overall low single digits, 2%, 3%, 4%. I don't know. I didn't look at the actual number yet. But,
but the answer is it's going to be 1%, 2%, 3%.
It's not going to be high.
Is that enough for Lawrence Culp to get this thing out to 2 years?
Well, aerospace has got its own cycle. It's doing very well, and it's got 22% margins, and healthcare does too. So there's not that much. Those two big businesses where they're making their money now are not really economically
Karen,
sensitive.
thank you so much. A good briefing here on the news of General Electric, of course, one of the iconic American companies. And what you need to know is a headline, the dividend from 12 cents to 1 cent as well.